Hey there, everybody. Comedy lovers, I'm here. I recently got a typewriter, typewriter, so I can, make a script. Yep, finally. Finally. I've looked all over my MacBook and I cannot find a Word document or a typing document. It'll really help me out with videos on games. If I can. I'll either have to get a DVR or I'll have to work with my camera. It's gonna be a pain, but it's an old camera, so please excuse the bad quality. I just had to let you guys know, so thank you for watching. See ya.